Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the OBS virtual camera on Discord so we can stream custom video output directly into our calls or streams. This is perfect for presentations, overlays, or creative setups. On our Discord dashboard, to use the OBS Studio camera, all we need to do is click on our voice channel and turn on our camera. To use the OBS camera, we just need to click the three dots for options, then go to our voice and video settings. Under the camera section, we will scroll down and select OBS Virtual Camera. With this selected, we will now be using our OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. And that's all it takes to set up the OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. We can now enjoy more control and creativity over our video presence.